Hello, Yvonne Olsen here. Welcome to my review video of eCom Rocket. In a nutshell, eCom Rocket is a training program that will teach you how to set up an online store, how to choose the right products to sell, what customers want, how to add those products to your store, and some traffic strategies. If that sounds interesting to you, you can check it out and buy it via my link that is down in the description below. When you purchase it via my link, you will get my bonuses. When you click the link, you will enter on my bonus page that looks like this. All you need to do is to click this button that will direct you to the sales page that looks like this. And when you purchase the product, you need to log in into your Warrior Plus account, go into your username in your purchase history, and when you click the product eCom Rocket, you need to click that button, Access Affiliate Bonuses, and then you will have my bonuses. But you need to do that before the times hit 0 because then they will expire. Now I will show you the bonuses. The bonus number 1 that you will get is hot selling eCom items. The bonus number 2 is Bing ads. It will teach you how to properly run Bing ads to your store. The bonus number 3 is Facebook Ads Authority, how to drive Facebook ads to your store. The bonus number 4 is the Fuego Multiplier. This will teach you how to run YouTube ads. And the bonus number 5 is how to build an email list around all those leads that you will get. Now I will show you more about the product. This is how I built my money-making online business for just pennies using the secret loophole revealed in eCom Rocket. What is eCom Rocket all about? It's a newbie-friendly step-by-step resource that will have your customers making sales from print-on-demand products while keeping 100% of the profits for just pennies, not the insane fees charged by large sales platforms like Etsy, Wix, and Shopify. It will help e-commerce sellers struggling with creating stores to solve their 3 biggest problems. They don't know how to set up a shop economically because they lack technical skills. They resort to expensive sales platforms and they end up paying expensive fees to solve their problems, which results in no profit left over, frustration and disappointment. eCom Rocket offers a simple strategy to set up a self-hosted shop, create and post unique designs on products that sell, and how to direct traffic to these products to make sales. This requires no expensive tools. Best of all, the strategy can be done using free tools. After the shakeup of the last couple of years and the projected sales trend of $6 trillion in online sales for 2023, everyone is looking to cash in on the huge eCom boom happening. eCom Rocket is simple, so we get results in 3 easy steps. Step 1, you need to set up a shop, send the traffic, and make money. Prices and the upsells of the product. On the front end is the eCom Rocket, is $27, but for an early bird is $17. The upsell number 1 is done with you. It's $145 with a downsell of that Hive group coaching of $7. And then the upsell number 2 is 30-day email coaching it's $37 with a downsell of that with 15-day email coaching, $17. And the upsell number 3 is full resale rights, $97 with a downsell of $48. It's 80% resale rights. Okay, now I will show you the sales page of the product. Here you can see the sales letter for eCom Rocket. The thing is that anyone can do this, works for any niche. You can keep 100% of your profits, works for digital and physical products. You can ditch high fee sites, or it's a one-click software to create designs. Works on any device, even your phone. And you will get private member community. Help at your fingertips. You can check out the sales page. Here's what you will get in an eCom Rocket. You will understand your customer, the secret strategy to find products and designs people are already buying. The next, you will know how to build a store. It's a step-by-step direction to set up your shop. Then add products. With this fast, simple method, you will know how to create your products and add them. And traffic strategies. It's free proven traffic and advertising strategies and software that you will get. Here is the example of the shop that you can create. Here's what you'll discover inside eCom Rocket, how you can get started today from scratch, the simple process to understand your buyers, how to build online business from the ground up, how to create products that people are already buying, how and where to promote for the best results, how to run this entire system and get results without spending more than a few pennies a month, and access to insider tricks to product creation that you have never seen before. And yeah, you will get bonuses when you decide to purchase the eCom Rocket now. The bonus number 1 is product design, designed to sell. Learn how to target your products for massive numbers of hungry buyers. Bonus number 2 is comparison list of print-on-demand companies. Find the products people are buying from this huge list of print-on-demand companies. And bonus number 3 is social media marketing guide. It's detailed report on getting traffic and finding buyers using social media for free. That's it. If you're interested in the product, you can purchase it via my link that is down in the description below. And plus you will get all of my bonuses that I showed you earlier. Thank you for watching.